Creating a file on your iPad is super easy. What can be frustrating is finding that file later if you didn't pay attention to what you named it or where you saved it. Or perhaps you're on a different device altogether and you need to be able to access your files. Here's some best practices when working with files. You can save files in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, which are Microsoft products and should be saved to OneDrive, or Keynote, Numbers, and Pages, which are automatically saved to iCloud, which is also accessible from anywhere when you log in with your Apple ID. Starting with Word, we'll make a blank document and we'll start typing. Remember, this does not save automatically. You will need to go up to this paper with the three dots on it. And I would encourage you to get into the habit of doing it right away so that autosave is activated. Press the green save button. Pay attention to where it's going. Remember, you want it to go to OneDrive, Wasatch School District. If you save it just to your iPad, you can't get to it from anywhere else. And if your iPad is wiped out, your hard work is gone. So in this case, we're putting it in OneDrive. I'm going to go up at the top and give it a meaningful name. And then I want to put it in a folder. I can create a folder or I can choose one that's already made. In this case, we'll put it in English 2019 and 20 and press the Save button. Going back over to the paper, you'll see autosave has been turned on. So from now on, things will save as you type. To exit, you can press the Home button 2 times and swipe the app closed, or you can press the back arrow in the top corner and it is going to be closing the app and uploading it to OneDrive, which you'll see with a green check mark. For apps like Keynote, Numbers, and Pages, when you create a file, it's automatically going to save it to OneDrive or to iCloud. I'm just going to start with a blank presentation. It's a little bit easier to name things in the Apple products by just double tapping at the top and naming it, saving, or whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to close this to show you to access all of your files. If you saved them properly, you can go to the Files app. The Files app will show you your iCloud Drive. It'll show you if you've made something in Keynote. The new presentation that I have made is here. It hasn't updated my title yet, but it will. It'll also show you how much space you have remaining. iCloud gives you 200 gigabytes of storage. OneDrive, if this is not on, you can go to Edit and turn on the switch. Clicking on the OneDrive link will let you go into Files, where you will see your folders, and then you will see your apps. This does not tell you how much space you have left, but no, it is a lot. OneDrive gives us a terabyte of storage, which is equal to about 130,000 photos. Another thing you can do in Files is go to Recents, and this will show you things that you have worked on recently, as well as things that people have shared with you to work on. So pay attention to what you name it and where you save it. Just to recap, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint get saved to OneDrive. Keynote, Numbers, and Pages automatically get saved to iCloud. You can find all of your files in the Files app.